klarong mensahe ng mga tao. Makulong, ibalik yung pera, kailangan ng systemic change. Yung pagkulong naman, sinabi ni Secretary Remulla, if you're gonna follow due process, the earliest is 40 days. Somewhere in November, dapat may mga charges nang nakafile at dapat may mga pinukulong na ng mga individual. And just allow the ICI to do their work. Yung ibalik yung pera, I brought up in the last Blue Ribbon, the Competition Act. Meron dong provisions on bid rigging. May piyansa yan. Yung piyansa niya is 100 million pesos for the first offense, up to 250 million pesos for the second offense. And that's the way na tingin ko pwede natin makuha ulit yung pera. Yung pangatlo yung systemic change. The blockchain bill comes into play. You're changing the infrastructure of how government transacts. And kapag sobrang transparent na yan, bawat citizen with their phone, kaya nilang malaman magkano ba yung semento at bakal at ganyan, sino bang na-award. I think that can be one of the most powerful tools to be that check and balance for the people. Kailangan guys, nakafocus tayo dito. Hindi lang makulong yung dapat makulong, hindi lang mabalik yung pera, but the more difficult na systemic changes can actually be done.